Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to reveal the easiest way to make money online in 2024. Perfect for beginners and completely free to get started. Last year, AI opened up a world of opportunities, but this year it's taking things to a whole new level. You don't need to clock in a 9 to 5 anymore, and I'll show you exactly how to do it from the comfort of your own home. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to start earning online in no time. Now, I've been in the online space for over 6 years, generated millions for companies, and hundreds of thousands for myself. But what I'm about to share with you is a game changer. It's 100% beginner-friendly, works worldwide, and doesn't require any upfront investment. So if you're ready to jump in, let's get straight into it. Alright, before we dive into the method, I want to show you the potential of AI and how much money you can make. Take a look at this. The generative AI market was valued at $43.87 billion in 2023, shot up to $67.18 billion in 2024, and by 2032, it's expected to hit $967.65 billion. That's a massive growth, and the best part, the earlier you get in, the more you can earn. So, now is the perfect time to start. If you're excited about this opportunity, hit that like button and let's move forward with how you can start making money with AI right now. The AI tool we'll be using today is Ross AI, a powerful video translation tool that can translate videos and audio into over 130 languages. Whether it's English to Italian, Spanish, or any other language, this tool has got you covered. The best part, it's completely free to try. To get started, head over to Ross AI, sign up for free, and you're ready to go. You can translate your videos into multiple languages in just a few clicks. It's that simple.
आरंभ करने के लिए रॉस एआई पर जाएं, निःशुल्क साइन अप करें और आप तैयार हैं।
Here's where things get interesting. How do you make money with this? I'm going to show you 3 different methods, each one more profitable than the last. So stick around because the final method could make you thousands of dollars a month. The first method is offering video translation services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. As you can see, people are already making money by doing exactly what I just showed you. And with Ross AI, you can easily replicate this process without needing to know multiple languages. It's a simple and effective way to start earning, with freelancers charging anywhere from $5 to $100 per project. If you want to make even more, consider becoming an affiliate for Ross AI. By promoting the tool to others, you can earn recurring commissions. You don't need a huge following, just a small, engaged audience. For example, with just 5 referrals, you could make over $1,600. Promote the tool through YouTube, blogs, or social media, and watch the commissions roll in. And finally, the most lucrative method, reach out to YouTubers with English content and offer to translate their videos into other languages. This expands their reach and increases their revenue, and they'll pay you handsomely for the service. You can charge thousands of dollars a month for this, especially if you build long-term relationships with multiple content creators. Imagine managing translation for several channels. This could easily become a full-time income. So there you have it, 3 powerful methods to make money online using AI. The ball's in your court now. With AI growing exponentially, the opportunities are endless. Don't wait. Take action now and start making money in 2024. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.